Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this pandas tutorial series, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can access or how you can read different kind of files in pandas, and I'm gonna show you examples of like CSV file or Excel file or even JSON file. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, we have four files here. This is the CSV file, this is a textual file, this is an Excel file, and this is a JSON file. So we are going to access all of them one by one. So let's first import pandas as pd and run it. Yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to do is pd dot read underscore csv, and read underscore csv is a function that can be used to read the csv files. Now we just need to give the path here. So this is the csv file, so I will just copy the path from here. Okay, and then train.csv. Now I need to also give like double slashes here. Now if you will print it out df, so as you can see here, if you saw the last video, then you must remember these are the column names, and then these are the values. So this is a kind of data frame. If you will check the type of the df, let me just show you type, and as you can see, it is a kind of data frame. So I told you in the last video that you can access those kind of access every kind of file and then put those file in these kind of data frames. So this is what we are doing right now. We are just accessing this csv file and we are putting it in a data frame. Okay, so let's move on towards the excel file. This was easy. Or before excel file, let's read textual file. So df is equal to pd dot, and for textual file, this is it is not read underscore txt, it is still read underscore csv. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the path of the file which is same except it is textual.txt. So let me just copy it. Okay, and textual.txt, and what I'm going to do, so I'm going to give the separator here. So separator will be, let's say, \t, and okay, so it is giving me an error. Separator should be equal to, yeah. Now if we will see df, and as you can see here, you got hello, how are you. So this is how you can read your textual files, and this was the content of the textual file, so it is showing it here. Okay, so now let's say, yeah, one more thing, in this case it is default set to comma. So as it is a csv file which is, and that is comma separated file, so it is separated using the comma in this case, but here we have to separate it by something else, or you can say like space. So as you can see here, now they all are separated using spaces. Okay, so you can give anything, it doesn't matter, it will read it however. So the next thing that we should read is excel file. So what I am going to do is cf is equal to, okay, pd dot read underscore excel. Okay, read excel, and here I'm going to give again the file location. So it is going to be the same, and the file name is excel.xls. I think it is this. Okay, so I think the let me just check, xlsx. Okay, it is xlsx. Now if we will see the df again, as you can see here, we have our column names, we have our index, and we have our data here. This is the data. Okay, so this is how you read your Excel file. So now let me just open it, and you will see that it we have two sheets here. So it by default it showed you the first sheet. This is the data that it showed you, but it didn't show you the sheet number 2, which has only these three columns, 1 2 3, one row and 3 columns. Okay, so we are gonna read these the second sheet. So here you can only access the first Excel sheet. So let's see how you can do the next sheet here. What I'm going to do is df is equal to, and I'm going to use pd.excel file, and here I'm going to pass the path. So let me give it, and so we have df here, and now what we need to do is def pass, and here we need to give sheet 2. So as you can see here, we got our sheet 2 here, and if you had provided sheet 1 here, then it would have gotten your sheet 1. So as this is the Excel file. Now last but not the least, you can also access JSON file using pandas. So let's quickly do that, and df is equal to pd dot read underscore json, and here I'm going to give the same path again, and I'm just going to give json. Now let me just run it. Okay, so it is giving us an error. So I think here we need to give type equal to, and need to give series. Okay, let's see what does this take. So path we have given type typ. Okay, so type should be frame series, and now if you will see df, here we have our JSON file. So guys, this was it for this video, and I hope that you got the idea how you can access all kind of file in pandas. So this was it, and I'll see you next time in another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.